Hello everyone, good morning. And today is 12 August, it's Saturday, 11 a.m. IST. We are live. We are here, or I'm here with my team to give an opportunity to you to ask the question anything. I know so many students want to make the career into the cloud and DevOps, but maybe there may be any reason they are lagging, they are not able to achieve the things. So I'm here as your career guidance, career mentor. Okay, you can see my lot of videos in the YouTube channel, but I want to come live. I want to meet my students who are in my WhatsApp community from a long time. Guys, I hope you all are from my WhatsApp community, correct? You all are, we all are connected with each other in the WhatsApp.
Yeah,
How
Yes,
long?
right.
From how long?
6 months.
6 months. Okay, cool. This is also a good time. What about others? Anyone here? 1 year, 2 year, 4 years? Yes, yes. 6 months, 1 year. Anyone old student?
yeah, yeah. 6 years, 6 months, because
Cool. That's okay. I think my students are also here. I can see one Brijal. Brijal, you are my student? No? Cool. No worries. It's okay. Guys, see.
Hi, because I'm recently joined.
Okay, cool. Guys, see, simple agenda. Ask me anything. You are feel free to raise your hand, switch on the camera. I would like to give an opportunity to you to ask any question if you are facing any of the problem into your real time related to your career. You can share your resume to me. I would like to review in front of everyone. I would like to say that if any mistake is there, you will get a calls. You are getting calls or not. You want to show your Naukri profile to me. You are feel free to show so that I can help you out that how to get a calls. Okay, because most of the biggest problem is here, sir. I want to become cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay, but I don't know. Right? This is the biggest problem. First problem. Second problem, sir, okay, I learned from somewhere, I learned from YouTube, I don't have much confidence, but I need a call. Naukri is always available. You are feel free to upload your resume into the naukri.com. You will get lot of calls. Just little bit optimization will be required. Just optimize it in a better way. You will definitely get lot of calls from the Naukri itself. Plus, you know me. We have a community. Okay, how many students knows already me from my community? About my community detail. This is just a very small detail I would like to pass about my community. We are from Cloud DevOps Hub. My name is Vikas. Okay, it's a community for the people of cloud and DevOps engineers. We are 53,000 members in our Facebook group. We are 7,000 plus in our Instagram community or Instagram subscribers, or what we can say Instagram followers. 8,000 in our WhatsApp. As you all join me from the WhatsApp, yes, we have 8,000 members are connected directly with the WhatsApp as well. I have 1,000 subscribers in the YouTube as well. So this is my, you can say small or big, but this is the number which I want to say for the my cloud and DevOps engineers. Here, lot of students already become cloud engineer. So many already become. Some are trying to become. So we are helping everybody. Guys, if you need a referral, you are feel free to ask in this big group, Facebook group. I will pass the link to you. You are feel free to post that and let us know anyone that you know us. We will approve your post so that you can ask any of the referral for any of the company into this group. Because see, you can see 53,000 members means at least one member from one company. So 53,000 companies are there, or so many people are there. 100 members from one company also. And if one person will refer, it will be help you out for you, right? If I need any referral for Amazon, Google, I'm also asking in this group. Okay, I have a direct contact. If required, I will also ask into this group, and I'm bringing the referrals for you guys. Make sense? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Cool. Guys, so I would like some students to switch on the camera. It will be more interactive because I am not here to deliver anything. I want you to ask the questions. Based on your questions, we will discuss the thing. Okay, I'm not here that I will definitely give a good suggestions based on
Yeah,
my research. Okay, so I would like to definitely help you out with that. Okay, so yes, who want to do that first? Okay, guys, switch on the camera, please. Feel free. Yes, Shivam has started the camera. Looks good. Rajesh has started the camera. Yes, guys, you can raise your hand. and you can ask the questions. We are not here to deliver anything. Okay, I'm here to ask. You have to ask the question with me. That's it. I saw this guy, Nitin Rao. You are on mute. Okay. Rajesh, I already saw that in my last session somewhere. Shivam also, I feel. Yeah, guys, go ahead. Guys, who want to take the opportunity?
Good morning, sir. Can I take the opportunity first?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, go ahead.
I hope,
Nitin,
sir.
just a small thing. Okay. Your name, please. Okay.
Definitely.
What's your profession? And yeah, then we can start. Okay.
Right. Okay. So, guys, myself Nitin Rao, and I am from the capital of Chhattisgarh, Raipur.
Okay.
And I hope, because sir, as you said that I know this man, I was really feeling very upset because I'm your ex-student. And how you can't remember my face?
No, I remember your face very what we can say. Suddenly you started the camera, right?
Yeah,
So I
exactly,
thought that
exactly.
I know this person. I know
And
a lot of students who already interacted with me on the camera.
right,
Definitely.
right. And I think we are meeting after a bit long time, right?
Yeah.
Just because I got a job because of you, right?
Okay, you got a job
Yeah.
where, man?
Yeah. In the Delhi, sir, there is a company in
Good,
Delhi
good.
in mapping skill, and I'm doing really very good over there.
Cool. Yep. That's good. Nice.
And I've joined as an AWS instructor.
Cool.
Thank
That's
you. Thank
great.
you, sir.
Yep. Cool.
So the basic thing which I just want to deliver all of you, like, see, I know that it's Saturday and I do have another training today as well. But just because I just status that you are going to keep that meeting, so I thought that it will be much better to share my experience with all those students, right? So
Nitin, which batch student you are? Just let me know
batch
so that I
27.
can. Batch 27. Let me open
Yeah.
batch 27. Okay.
Yeah.
Batch 27. Okay. Yeah. You can continue. You can continue, please.
Sir, how many batch you have to after that? Yeah, that's me.
See, it's 4 batch. Okay. Because I feel batch 27 is 6 months old. Correct? More than
Exactly.
6 months, right? So
Yeah,
I have a batch which I'm delivering in 2.5 months, one batch. Okay. So it's more than 6, 7 months. So 3, 4 batch has been came. So at this point, the batch running is 31st.
Great.
Okay. And 31st batches in my last 6 years of training career. Okay.
Great.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, continue, please.
So what happened actually, in 2022, I just thought of switching to the clouds, right? And just because the cloud was developing very fast, and I thought that, yeah, actually I belongs to a technical background because I completed my B in IT.
Okay.
So then I thought that I should continue with the people who are constantly, growing up with the market, and they are in the hub of the IT, which is the Bangalore, right?
Correct.
So I just searched for those things, and the first name I got was, the Vikas. Then I thought that it will be very much, good to continue with the Vikas only. Then actually I started with I think there were 3 batches, right? The demo classes like that.
Correct. We
3
always
classes were there.
conduct 3 to
2
5
to 3.
classes,
Yeah.
which we are putting into the YouTube as well.
So in first 2 batches, in first 2 classes, I just decided that that is the point I should leave. That is not my cup of tea. Like, it was like that. Okay. But then I decided that, okay, if I'll have to keep up with the, like, modern techniques and modern technology, I'll have to complete those things. So anyhow, I just completed this thing. And yeah, because of the hard work, see, you can't deny the hard work. Okay, it doesn't matter how much best trainer you are getting. The only thing which you need to put is your hard work, right?
That's always
So
required.
that is
That
the
will be
thing.
always required.
And yeah, because right now I just want to give you one more good news that I have cleared the AWS certification of solution architect.
Good. That's great. Okay. You can have the double package. Okay. Don't tell to anyone, but
Thank you for telling me this thing. So, see, recently I just got a hike, so that's why I can't tell. I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
See,
just discuss that
just
thing you on the
inform to
call.
your manager silently that I'm preparing for this exam and I cleared. Suddenly give a shock to everyone.
That's good.
Okay.
So, guys,
And
my
just
one
before your promotion or before your hike cycle, okay, if you will give in out days or if just recently you get a hike, if you will show that, nothing will happen. Okay.
yeah.
Whenever he is going to fill your form, that yes, this person means we have to provide the hike to them before just 15
Exactly.
days, 1 month, then give this bomb to him. It will be
Right, right.
beneficial for you.
There's my video. You can see over there. What is
Yeah.
what's
See,
my student technically learn in 30 days?
okay,
Just the
yeah,
bottom.
he
Yeah,
he
that
already
one.
you already
That one.
presented, right?
Yeah,
Good, that's
exactly.
great. Guys, see, we were thinking that batch 27 was 6 months. No, it's a 11th month ago.
11 month, yeah.
Yeah, it's a month near to 1 year. We have started the batch 27. This is the recordings for my batch 27. I was always putting some demo classes, means some 1, 2, 3 day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions on the YouTube. So this is 11 month ago, and after that we are conducting, means whatever you learn in 30 days or 45 days with me. So I'm conducting with my student that whatever you learn, just present in front of everyone, because the reason is, if you are learning something and if you will not explain that I have understand that part, you will never get to know that you are giving the good answers, you are giving the wrong answers, right? So based on our 30 days learning, okay, or 60 after 45 days of this all learning, okay, this is the syllabus which we are delivering it. And after learning this all things, we are conducting with the student that whatever you learned it, present in front of everyone, so that other student will also get to know that yes, you learn something, you are able to present. If you are able to present, you will able to crack the interview. That's it. This is the steps.
Right.
Right. Cool. That's good. And after that success story, we are making it, means we are the very transparent with the trainings, that starting classes, last class also we are putting on the YouTube, because most of the people, they will never put the last class or middle, what is happening, you will never get to know. But in my thing, we are the community, we are in the WhatsApp group. You can always connect with us anytime.
Right.
Cool.
And the one line answer is, the one line statement is, good thing takes time. Definitely. If you want to be on a certain level, because you can see the packages in the cloud nowadays, these are, I think, above the average, as I guess.
More than average,
More than average,
highest
definitely.
in
Yeah.
any of the technology. I have something which I can show it to everyone. Okay. There is some article over the internet. Okay. Guys, I hope you are aware about Stack Overflow website, right? Guys, yes or no?
Definitely.
How many students
Yes,
knows
yes.
about Stack Overflow?
Yes, yes, I've
Yes, yes.
What is that? Can anyone give me the answer? What is this website? What is this website?
Here basically documentation are available.
Documentation, question answer, or some blocks are there, right? We can trust Stack Overflow. Simple yes or no answer.
100%.
Right? If we can trust, the article over the Stack Overflow website is the salary, related to the salary of developers by experience. Okay. So all the countries related thing, all the countries are here. Okay. Based on their research, they are telling that in the United States, DevOps salary is the highest. In the UK, the DevOps salary is the highest. In India, the DevOps salary is definitely a highest. In Germany also, the DevOps salary is highest. Then data science, embedded, backend, Stack Overflow, full stack developers, more salary, which we are getting it with the help of Cloud and DevOps profile. Yep, cool. Good.
So that was my small story, right? And I know that the small story makes the big changes.
Definitely.
Now it's completely up to you guys. Okay, the effort you will put in, the result you will get. So simple, as simple as that.
I agree. Absolutely agree.
Right?
Yes, Shivam,
There are plenty of people to help you out, especially the Vikas. He can help you on any way. Like I have seen personally that sometimes it happens that the recordings which Vikas kept in some drives, partially they are not accessible, or sometimes it happens like that. Not
by
every
any
time, but
reason,
small
by
few
any
times.
reason, right?
Yeah,
Because
by any
see, if
reason.
I'm
But
telling, I'm providing you the recording for the lifetime, in 1 year, 2 year, Google changed his policy,
definitely,
right?
yeah,
So
it
if
happens.
Google changed the policy, he observed that 50 GB of recordings are there. What is this? They will remove it. So we
Yeah.
will again upload it, because I have all the backup for all the recordings of my first, or not even seventh batch started onwards. We are started recording all these things. So I do have all these things.
It hardly happens that we have to wait more than 1 day for the recording, because these recordings are like the lifeline for the DevOps people, right? Because everything is over there.
I can show.
So,
show. Okay.
yeah.
See, let's come to any of the batch. 31 batch is running batch. Okay. So if you will go to batch 30, okay, let's see here. Video drive of batch 30. Okay. See here how we are providing the recording. 1, 2, 3, 4 classes are always on YouTube. So how we will get on the YouTube? If you will go back on my website, CloudDevOpsHub, Just come little bit down, just come little bit down. On the website itself, we are straightforward providing the recordings. Okay, see here, the batch 31 recordings are already available in this. Batch 30 recordings are available here. Okay, we are not like we are starting the batch every 1 month, every 2 months. No, 2.5 months means I have to complete the syllabus. I will take the feedback from a student. I will wait for some student to get placed also, and then we are going to start the batch. Okay, and you can see here, this is 3 month old, the batch 30. Okay, the recording 1, 2, 3, the recording, where is that? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and the last day. Okay, is available in the YouTube itself. After this 4 days, if you will come here, from the day 5, day 6, day 7, all the recordings of the classroom is available into this place. Very transparently, we are providing it to all the students. Cool. Yep. Yeah, guys. Shivam, you have raised the hand. Go ahead with your question if you have anything. Or
Good
anyone.
morning, sir. Good morning,
Yeah.
sir.
Good morning. Yes.
Sir, I have talked to you earlier in call, and I have told you about the DevOps and Cloud courses.
Okay.
So you suggested me you have not resigned from the pro, but I have resigned from the pro as a project engineer. But
Okay.
I am looking my career.
I told
into,
that don't resign it, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Switch
yes, yes,
First
yes.
switch it, get the job, and then resign it.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah. What happened?
yes. But I have resigned from some reasons.
Okay,
So
no
I am
problem.
looking my career into DevOps and Cloud.
Yep.
So currently I am preparing for cloud practitioner.
Okay, yeah, this is the step. Okay, you don't have to directly go into the biggest step. You have to take a small step. Start with the Pictionary. Okay, give 5 months of time, 3 months of time. Okay, in preparation. If you already have experience, you don't have to give any time. Directly write it if you have a knowledge. Okay.
Yes.
Only
yes.
suggestion: collect a dumps from me. Okay. Plus, at least read one book properly. Okay.
Yeah.
Because you have to practice it. If you want to clear the exam in one shot, yes, definitely little
Yes, sir.
practice will be required.
So currently I am doing certification from Udemy, the
That's
course of cloud practitioner.
That's okay.
So
Follow
I want to
everything.
know
Okay,
that
don't see Udemy will directly give you full day access. Okay, full everything access. Okay, so don't directly jump into the module 4 or last session, because I observed that some students.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
I have everything. I will directly jump into the last session and I will do it. No, that's not good. Okay.
So I am little bit worried. I'm little bit worried also about the jobs and all. So I don't know any path to how to
Which path?
do the
Career path,
which
resume path,
career
knowledge
path, career path, resume path.
You already
or
decided. See, you already decided you
yes,
want to
yes,
become a
yes,
cloud DevOps engineer,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. But
Have you
sometimes I am
prepared
confused about cloud and DevOps. Means they are both the different parts or the same part.
both? See, if you are that much confused on a very first level, you don't have to write the exam. Okay,
Yes,
because
yes,
it will not be beneficial for you.
yes, yes,
Exam is for asking 5 lakh extra, but how you will get something? First, you have to, with the knowledge, you have to get something. So
Okay.
simple, follow anything, or what I can say very simply, you can just see my day 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, in the YouTube. That's it.
Okay.
You will get
Sure.
an idea what is cloud, what is DevOps, why you have to learn, what you have to learn. Okay.
Okay.
So I will give you this link in the YouTube, in the chat only. This is the batch 31 playlist. If you will go into my YouTube channel, here
Okay.
you can just see day 1, 2, 3. This is 3 weeks ago, not a latest video. Okay.
Okay.
3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Just have a look. You will able to understand that you really have to learn this thing, because in the very first day, I will give you the overview what exactly the cloud and DevOps is. Okay. Second day, what is servers, what is data centers, what is cloud, what is virtualization, and attend my free next workshop also, which we are going to organize in the next week. Okay. Next week,
Yeah.
19th and 20th of August. This is a learning session for Docker and Kubernetes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means I'm going to, I'm not, means I will not discuss in all these things. I will directly jump
Sure.
into the learning part, which I'm going to teach you Docker and Kubernetes on
Okay.
from this syllabus only. What exactly we are going to learn? If you will come into my syllabus, the Docker means the day 30 we are going to discuss, 31 we are going to discuss related to the Docker, day 30, yeah, day 33 and day 34 also we are going to discuss. Means 30 and 31 day we are going to discuss in the next week, next Saturday. Okay, this is 19, and then day 33 and day 34 we are going to discuss in the day 20th of August, next week. Okay. So both the days will be a learning session. This is just a discussion session, question and answer. Feel free to ask anything. Okay.
Sir, does any experience required in DevOps job for starting for a fresher, because I have a
You, how
experience
much
in
you have?
Wipro
How much you have?
1.5
More than enough,
1.5
man.
years,
More than enough.
but not as a DevOps engineer, but as a project
Doesn't matter.
engineer.
If you haven't, see, Wipro, everyone is a project engineer, system engineer, right?
Yes,
Wipro
correct.
doesn't give any cloud profile or not developer profile. Okay.
Correct,
Everyone is a
correct.
project engineer. Then you are a very lucky person. You just have to learn it by own or whatever. You can learn it, give the interview. For the Wipro, no one able to catch it that what you are.
Okay, sure.
Yep. Cool, good. Okay. So I will just give this syllabus link also. If you will come to my website, okay, Cloud
Okay.
DevOps Hub.
Okay,
Just
sir.
come into the device syllabus. If you will open it, device syllabus or learning roadmap will be available here. What you have to learn, this
Okay.
all information is available here.
Okay, sir.
I would like to pass this information into the chat as well. Yep.
Or if I have any doubt in future, I will directly contact to you.
No problem.
Thank you.
What else? Who else, guys? Let's come to our agenda. Primarily agenda. What we are going to do here? We are going to discuss this all things. Ask me anything. Simple. Unmute yourself, switch on the camera and ask the question. Whatever you have in your mind. Go ahead, please. Yes, Sanket, Jayan, go ahead, please. Switch on the camera. Whoever will switch on the camera first, go ahead. Yes, Sanket, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. I'm Saikat. Actually, I am a working professional. I am currently working in LTI Mindtree.
It's
LTI Mindtree as a cloud and infrastructure engineer. My
I want you
designation.
to connect. Okay, one of my students is very much worried. He recently got a job in LTI. Okay, let me find out. I think he is Shubham. Okay.
Yeah.
What we can second, just message me on my WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number?
No, sir. I am
very bad.
not having.
Okay, you can come to my website. Okay, Cloud Dev. I will
Okay.
message in the chat. Okay, in the group. You are coming from the WhatsApp community, right?
No, sir. I actually registered through the website.
Okay,
I
fine.
actually saw
No
this
problem.
post on Instagram and I just registered.
Okay, cool. See, this is
Yeah.
my number. Okay,
Okay.
on my website, my number is there. Just message me. One of the student who is going to join LTI. Okay, this is my batch 31 student who recently got a job. Okay, I will show you. Show. Where is that? See, lot of discussion happen into the groups. Okay, no need to worry for that. But very good, sometimes very good news also came into this. I will show you. Yep. See, Congress Shubham. Okay, what he's telling. Very recently, this batch has been started around 20 days back only. And hello team. I got an offer from the LTI Mindtree as a specialist in the Cloud and DevOps profile. So he was very worried. He was asking with me that sir, how is the company? I got an offer. Okay, I'm working as a. How is the company? He's asking like this. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. See, it's not a new message. Okay, it's a third aid. Means around 20 days back, one of my friend got an offer. So I told him, you are the best 31 student, post in a group. Okay, I simply told that post in a group, buddy, motivate others. Okay, this is not a new thing. Okay, it's an old thing only. Okay, I will give his number. You can just message me. I will give his your number to him. He just want to ask that how is the company. Definitely company is very good, but if sometimes the student will say, or the person who is really working in this company will help. So I am the bridge. See guys, what I am, we are the community, we are the bridge to reach you into the good place. Okay, let's assume, Sanket, you have a openings in your company. You can post the message in my WhatsApp group. You will get lot of candidates who are really looking for the job.
Sure.
Correct.
Sure.
So and if you are also looking for a job, post that I am looking for a job in this company. Okay, if anyone will be there, definitely he'll. So I am the person who will teach you, who will guide you, and I will take you into the right path. I told him that you must have to join, man. No need to worry about this company. He called me and I told. So yes, this is my batch 31 student who recently got a job in LTI. Good, nice.
Yes, sir. So actually, so I am working as a cloud and infrastructure engineer. My designation is that, but currently I am into Microsoft project.
Okay.
So it is actually Azure Synapse Analytics support engineer project.
Okay, fine.
So I am working as a support engineer in the Synapse domain, and just wanted to know that if, very frankly speaking, I'm not very much of a coding guy.
You don't have
I
to
don't
be.
like.
If you are a cloud
Yeah.
engineer, if you are a cloud engineer, if you are a DevOps engineer, you don't have to be into the coding.
Yeah,
Not required.
that's what my first initial thought was with DevOps, that I don't know that how was it. And so I thought, I came across this workshop and thought to have a word with you live, that how is DevOps and how it will be suitable for me,
Correct. Yes.
that if I into this line.
See,
So if you could
I will
please.
tell you, you are already a support engineer. You are already working into the cloud, right? Just
Yeah.
how much experience you have total overall?
I'm just a fresher. Just in the
Very,
October,
very
I will
good. Okay.
complete
It's-
2 years.
That's good, man. 2 years is a good time to ask the hike. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
assume you are in the 5 lakh package or 7 lakh package at this point.
Hmm.
Okay. If you
Mhm.
will learn yourself, or just you have to put little bit effort, okay,
Yeah.
by learning the actual thing which is required in the IT company. Okay.
Hmm.
So the question is, sir, what is actually required? You don't know, right? I will
Yeah.
provide you that thing. It's already written in my this sheet. Okay.
Hmm.
So feel
Mhm.
free to have a look. Means you have to be first aware about the Linux.
Yeah.
If you don't know Linux, you will not able to survive in any of the server. Not even
Okay.
support profile, not into any of the administration profile, right?
Okay.
So first,
Mhm.
I will teach you the Linux. Means I will make a support engineer, or I will make a admin person to you. Okay, means you
Okay.
can play with the servers. If you
Hmm.
know Linux, then we will slowly start the AWS. Okay, we will create
Okay.
a AWS account, and then we will go into that. Means I need 2 weeks of time to make at least support engineer. If you are on 0 level, to make it on a support or admin person, I need 2 weeks of time. I will take it and I will make a Linux admin person. Then we will start AWS. Some students who are not getting a proper guidance, they are directly starting with the AWS itself, right? But it's difficult for them to understand that why the AWS came into the market. If I will
Yeah.
ask the question with you guys only, why AWS came into the market with hundreds of services or with 200 of services?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our one of the question which we are going to discuss in couple of minutes. Why AWS came into the market with 200 services? Okay,
Yeah.
you can just remember the answer in your mind. I will give opportunity to you in after talking with Sanket. Okay, yeah, go ahead. So Sanket,
Yes,
I
sir.
will give a path. You just have to learn it, and in the 2 years, you can ask very good hike as well. Okay, you
Okay.
must have to learn the cloud first thing. You
Hmm.
must have to learn the DevOps as well. In the DevOps, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, and Terraform. That's it.
Hmm.
And if possible, do some projects also. That will be very good. And before going for any of the real interview, give the interview to me as a mock interview. Okay.
Hmm.
So that what will happen, you will get to know that how much wrong answer you're giving, right?
Yeah.
Because
Right.
because sometimes what will happen, student give the answer is correct or wrong, he don't know, right? He
Correct.
feel that I given the answer, how come he's rejected me, right?
Correct.
So
Yeah.
you have to give the answer which should be correct, okay, which should
Correct.
be
Yeah.
accurate, or it's not
Yeah.
like that 10% correct, 20% correct. The answer should be 60%, 70% correct. Then only interviewer will be interested in your profile.
Yeah. Correct.
Right. First,
Yeah.
he will tell you, introduce yourself. If you will introduce yourself in a better way, then only he will see the profile or resume, right? Before that, no,
Correct.
it's just a resume. If you will say,
Correct.
I have a 7 years experience, I know this thing, I know this thing, I know this thing, then he will see that where he written in the resume, right?
Hmm.
It happens.
That's what.
Good.
Yeah.
Sanket, any other question you have?
Yes, sir. So actually regarding this course module, so it is already started, right?
It's already started. Okay, the batch
Yeah.
30 is already started. Whatever is in the green color, it's already started. You don't have to worry. If you are really interested for my thing, I will not tell you to directly come into the live class. Okay, first see the recordings on the YouTube. Okay. Have you seen it or not yet?
And I'm actually watching the first part actually.
Okay, yeah, first now.
Yeah.
So just see 1 or 2 at least. Okay. If you feel that it looks good, it's your requirement, this is what you are looking, okay, then you can come to my batch. What I will tell you, if you will come in middle, as you are coming in middle, already 15 classes happen, okay, not a problem. You can come continuing this batch as a movie, okay. You will see as a what we can say practicals, theory, everything. The next batch again you can come free of cost.
Okay.
Okay, is that okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Whenever this batch will complete after 1.5 months, you are good to come into the next batch again. The same syllabus, we will repeat it again. Okay, in your new batch. And I already.
So what I was planning. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
So actually, what I was planning is since this classes started, so I will like planning to give some more time into the certifications and to complete like
Without
more.
knowledge, certification is useless.
No. I'm planning of that Azure certifications actually.
That's okay. Okay. But see, it's not like
Hmm.
that. First, knowledge always matters because see, interviewer
Yeah.
will not give the job based on your certificate. Interviewer will give a job based on your answers.
Yeah.
Right. How I will see, I will tell my story. Okay. One of the interview came to me. Okay. And he told that, we know already you, everything about you. I
Hmm.
told that, how come you get to know everything about me? They told, we already research on your YouTube channel. Okay. In your YouTube channel, already hundreds of videos are 70s, 80s videos are there. Okay. We don't have
Mhm.
to ask any technical question with you. Okay.
Mhm.
But we want to offer you. So then I asked that which company, what exactly it is, and then the
Hmm.
discussion happened. So they means if you have some presence, okay, means your video interview presence, okay, that matters.
Mhm.
No one is asking any degree for me, right?
Yeah, correct.
Right. No one will ask that, hey, what is your degree? What is your certificate? They are
Mhm.
ready to give the offer based on this thing only, and it happens.
Yeah.
This is my story.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct.
So, sir, just wanted to know one more thing. Just it's not related to anything. Just wanted to know that what will be the course fees for this one?
I'm not asking any fees at this point. Just see on the YouTube. Okay. If you
Okay.
liked it, then only talk with my HR. Nothing.
Okay.
Before that, nothing. Zero.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because YouTube is always free. You can
Yeah,
watch.
YouTube is always free. Yeah.
You can watch the thing in the YouTube. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't
Yeah.
have this link, this is batch 31. Yes, I'm giving again this link into the chat. Okay. Feel free to
Mhm.
watch. You will get a confidence from yourself. That's it. I want.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yep. Next person. Anyone? Jayant has raised the hand from a very long. Jan, switch on the camera, please. Yeah, Jayant. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
hi Vikas.
Yep.
Actually, Vikas, I'm working as a storage support engineer.
Good.
So I just want to know, is storage a little bit related to AWS and this DevOps or not, or it will be very new for me if I will
Okay.
start this course?
You are 4 days late. Okay. Otherwise, I will definitely invite you to my S3 class. Okay. You know
Okay.
what is S3? Yes. Anyone
No.
here? What is it's S3? Jayant, you know what is S3?
No, I don't know.
Anyone here
Simple
who can
storage.
give me the answer? What is S3?
Storage.
So S3 is a
Simple storage.
It's
Simple
a simple
storage.
storage, right? Simple storage in the cloud. So see, if
Okay.
you are already a storage person, okay, you
Mhm.
don't have to say you are working in a physical data center. You have to say you have to just switch your line. I know S3, and whatever the things are 100% same in S3. The problem is you don't know what is the service in cloud.
Okay.
That's it. So what I want, Jayant, message me or your email ID. Okay, I will give you my this recordings to you. Okay, have a
Okay.
look, please. Okay, because as you are a storage engineer, just 2 days back only we have completed that part. So I want you to see this thing. Okay, just give me your
Okay.
email address. I will give the access to you for the batch 31 drive. Okay, at least see some classes. You will get to know that what exactly it is. Yeah, Jayant, I get your email ID. Jayant, S3 storage, S3 overview.
S3.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Day 14, which we have taken it. I'm sharing this access to you. Jayant, switch on, see your email ID. You get an email.
Okay, let me check.
You get a mail from CloudDevOpsHub.
I'm looking for it.
Yeah,
Not
please check.
yet.
Yeah, please check. There are 3 classes for the storage, which I'm giving to you.
Yeah, I got.
Okay, you got it. Cool. And guys, anyone who is related, who want to see my videos or any of my classes, recording classes from any of the batch, tell me, sir, give me the 20 batch access. I want to see 2 years back or 5 years back how you was. I'm ready to give that also. Okay, because this is just a one click for me. Anyone who want any of the module, okay, access, please let me know right away. I would like to give it to you. Anyone first fast raise it, please. Someone has messaged Tushar. Tushar, which one? Any module?
Same sir, S3 module.
S3 module? Okay. S3 module. Okay. Ask something different now. Why same thing?
Sir, can
Actually,
you
I'm
provide me the Linux modules?
Okay, Linux. Okay. Linux is already available on YouTube.
Okay.
Anyone, someone other person, please. Switch on the camera. Please switch on the camera and ask the thing. Any of the topic from this syllabus. Okay. Any of the topic, ask with me. I will give it to you. Go ahead. Fast, unmute, switch on the camera. Please let me know. Fast. Senthil, anyone? Anything? Someone is messaging on the chat. Guys, unmute. It's not a workshop. It's not a what we can say webinars. We are giving an opportunity to talk. It's not like one-sided. I'm not interested in your chat. I'm interested you to talk with me, because in the interview you don't have to chat. You have to talk. Yes.
May I have the part one?
Which
part
part one? Shivam.
Yes, sir.
Part
AWS
one.
Cloud. Yes, sir.
AWS
Then-
letter thing. See,
Yes,
guys,
yes.
which in the any topic you want, Shivam? Because I have to give you 10, 12 classes access.
Okay.
Okay. So any topic, any explicit topic you want to learn?
So Linux.
Linux is already on YouTube. Why you are asking with me?
Okay.
So can you
Linux
please
is-
share Ansible link?
Senthil. Okay. Ansible. Senthil, give me your email ID, please. Quickly.
Okay, I will send you in chat or I will tell
Yeah,
you.
in the chat only, because
Sure,
I don't
sure.
want to, what we can say. I don't want to type it. I want to copy it directly. Yes.
Sure. I'm
Ansible,
just
Ansible.
typing.
Yes. Ansible will be 30.
I just sent.
Okay. Yeah, sure. 1 second. I will just open my drive. Okay. Batch 30 drive. This is my video drives. Okay. In batch 30. Guys, anyone who want Ansible, please let me know right away so that I can give in one shot to both of person.
Vikas Tushar here. I just wanted access of Docker. Sorry, Jenkins.
Okay, fine. I will give you. No worries.
Yeah.
Just give me a second.
It's a Kalamkar Tushar 74. I pinged here.
That's okay. Senthil needed for what we can say Ansible. Where is Ansible? Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Ansible. Okay, these are the two private classes which are on Ansible. Sharing. Buddy, who is that? Senthil. Check your email ID. You get any mail?
Hi, Vikas.
Yep. Go ahead.
Hi, Vikas. Actually, I wanted to understand about the opportunities. Actually, I am currently working in Wipro.
Okay.
And I am working as a quality lead into service desk. So,
how much is your experience?
Actually, initially I joined Wipro as a cloud and infra engineer into service
You
desk.
already joined. You know already lots of opportunities are there. Then what is the question?
No, sir. But the thing is that the designation is mentioned as a quality lead. So how?
See, most of the company doing all these problems. Okay, something they mention something and they are giving the opportunity for other thing. Okay, so this is good for you if you want to come into the cloud. It doesn't matter. Okay, always knowledge matters. First thing,
Right.
always knowledge matters. If you have a knowledge, you will say, I want this. I'm learning this from the last 2 years. I know I'm working all this profile from the last 2 years. You can come into this part. Okay.
So can I mention that even if I am, though the designation is a quality lead, but I am working into a DevOps internal project
I
for
also
Wipro.
worked in Wipro as a platform engineer, but I was in a cloud.
Right.
Okay. So no need to worry. I will tell you, whenever the project was coming to me, I am telling that, no, I'm not interested. And they given a greenfield employee to me 5 years back. Greenfield employee means you have to roam into the campus. It's a Wipro Electronic City. And from one cafeteria, which is in the Electronic City gate 4, right? And one is in 11. So we are walking from 4th. First morning we are going there. Afternoon we are going in this cafeteria. Evening again we are going into that cafeteria.
No, see, that is the problem. In Wipro, I don't understand the concept because, they give, designation wise, things are not, transparent.
It's happen in all the companies. You don't have to worry. Okay. See, whenever sometime manager profile will come. Okay. Manager can be non-tech profile. Okay. 15 years person who work in Wipro or who worked in BPO. He can come. He can also become manager, right? And who work technically also, he can become a manager also. But when you come from a good technology, manager with 50 lakh package, manager with 7 lakh package. Possible, right?
Possible.
Right? Same designation, but your background matters. What you know, how you are giving the answers. right?
Correct.
So possible
Yeah.
manager with 50 lakh package, manager with 10 lakh package is also in every company.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, Vikas, Tushar here.
Yeah, Tushar, go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm working with Vodafone since from mostly about 6 years as
Cool,
a
that's good.
support. So I'm trying to switch to DevOps right now.
You must have to, okay?
So
See,
it's
this
been
is a good time,
yes,
okay? It's a high time,
yes,
okay?
correct.
You
Yes,
must have
correct.
to. Yes.
So I've been watching the videos of the DevOps and Telegram channels on also.
But
So for the
see, if you
DevOps,
will watch on YouTube, it will take 1 year, 2 years, and how you will clear your doubts?
yes, that is why actually I'm trying
How
to
you will do
give
the
you.
practical? Because
Actually, I
without
have
practical
given.
knowledge,
Mhm.
it will not be
Actually, I
helpful,
have
right?
also given the 3 to 4 interviews and I've been failing that. So that is why I
See,
want
you given
support
that, that's
from
good.
you.
You given the interview means you can get the call, right?
Correct.
You know
Correct.
how to get a call. But the problem is,
Yes,
what is the correct answer for the question? So you
that
must
is.
have to follow a order. You have to make a
Mhm.
timeline that I want to complete all these things in 3 months, 6 months. Make your timeline, okay? If you will go for
Correct.
Telegram channels, today you are seeing one Telegram channel, tomorrow you are seeing another Telegram channel, day after 1 month
Correct.
you are seeing the another Telegram channel. On
Yes,
YouTube today
yes.
you are seeing one video, tomorrow you are seeing another trainer video, right? But
We'll get
everyone,
confused in
see,
this.
in the starting, everyone is teaching the basics only.
Mhm. Correct.
So you will be on the basic only. How you will get the
Mhm.
advanced topic? You have to follow the track. You have to follow 2 months. You have to invest 2 months of 3 months of time. Go in a order. You have to require what we can say. Someone who can deliver these things very transparently to you with practicals. Okay. See here, if you will see the syllabus, practical 10, practical 11, okay, practical 6, practical 7, practical 12, everything with the practical. If you face the problem, you need someone who can help you out. See, if you will see here, see, my student, this is Kiran, okay? What is this
Okay.
is related to MySQL, correct? When this message has been came, let's see here, this message has been came yesterday, okay? He is able
Okay.
to perform the activity in front of 20%, means already 47% are there, okay? So I want you to perform the activity in front of everyone, then only your confidence will get increased. Correct. If your confidence will get
Correct.
increased that this person has did the activity, or you have to ask the question, see, using right code, you have to ask the question. Everyone is here helping each other. Means you have to be a part of the group who can help you out at 2 a.m., 1 a.m. in the night also. If you will be, WhatsApp is the place where 1 a.m. also someone can give the answer. Even I'm also available. I can also type it. No, this is not correct. This is correct. You have to follow this instruction. Right. So if you are into the small group, I'm inviting you to come to my live class Monday 8 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
And see that.
So can I
Observe that.
join your latest batch which is going
You are
or
feel
how?
free. Yes. Simple, very simple, man. You just have to go into my website. Okay. Somewhere you will get a direct link. Okay. Somewhere I will show you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Just
please.
I will give you this link. Okay. This is the link for my regular batch 31. It's transparently
Okay.
available over the internet. You just have to,
Mhm.
I'm just giving you this link. Guys, whoever is really interested to continue, I'm not telling you directly come here. First
Okay.
watch 1, 2, 3 videos. Today is Saturday. Okay. Make a target, watch 1, 2, 3 videos on the YouTube, okay, so that your basic questions will get clear automatically. Otherwise you will ask, sir, where is this? It's the 10th class, right? It's the 15th
Mhm.
class. So I want you to little bit aware about myself, because you saw that some students know me from 6 months, 1 year. My YouTube channel is from the last 4 years. My 50,000 community is from the last 10 years, right? So that all things are available into the socially in the last 10 years, right? So just I'm giving you this registration link, guys. Whoever is really interested for the batch, okay, this is the syllabus which we are following. Okay, we are here, we have already started the database topic. Okay, database, the MySQL practical 7. If you will see in the WhatsApp group, some student has already completed that as well. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the MySQL practical 8. And you can see here in my classroom also, we have a LMS system also for our student. Classroom, CLASS, room.google.com. This is a LMS system for every batch. What students are doing it. Okay. That all things will be available here. See, if you will see here yesterday, weekend assignment, learn for the networking. Okay. I given some articles over the internet. Okay. Read the article over the networking, because our next target next week means Monday or Tuesday, we are going to start the networking part. Correct? So
Okay.
what all things we are going to learn in the networking? We are going to learn the VPC, virtual private cloud. We are going to learn the CIDR. We are going to subnet, internet gateway, net gateway, route tables, AWS security, NSCL, VPC pairing. Means around 10 AWS topics in the networking we are going to learn. Okay. Then we are going to do 2 practicals on the networking as well. Okay. We will create a VPC, we will create a subnet, we will create a route, we will create a security group, and we'll put the EC2 machine inside that all things.
Okay.
Okay, and we will create we will create a 2 different VPCs. We will connect with each other with the help of VPC pairing. So everything we will do into the practical. Whoever is really interested to see the networking class or any of the class, you are feel free to come in my live class as well. Okay, you will
So
get,
Vikas, in how many days your whole
it's a
the
2.5
index will be
months.
covered?
See, you can see here
Okay.
55 live classes I need. Okay, including project, including mock interviews. I have to take care. Means around 51 will be the official, but it will always go more. If you will see my previous batch, batch 30. Okay, let's see how many videos are here. I'm just selecting it. Around 75 items has been selected. Means 75 videos
okay.
are there. Okay, so means 55-60 classes happen. Okay, including, because if you will see the syllabus, we define the syllabus in a way that whenever any of the topic will complete, we will keep the workshop also for this topic. Means feel free to ask. If you every day, every time you can ask it. But if you want to share your screen, you can share your screen, ask the doubt with me that, sir, this is the problem I'm facing, help me out in front of everyone. I will be always available to help you out for that. So whenever any of the topic will get complete, I will give the assignment. Okay, based on that topic, I will take the workshop. I will teach something extra, and I will encourage. Let's assume, Tushar, you are a 6-year experience, right? You know little bit
Yes.
about the 6 year in the IT, right? So you can
Yes,
also
yes.
teach one small topic, 5-minute topic.
Correct.
Right. So what will happen if you will teach 5-minute topic in front of everyone? Your confidence will get increased. You will know how to share the screen, because we went for the interview and, sir, how to share the screen? I am a 10-year experienced person. I don't know. You are rejected.
Yeah, that's correct.
That really matters. And how you are sitting in front of interview, right? You will be into the middle. If you will switch on the camera, then only you will get to know where you have to keep your face. Sometimes some student will be sit like this. Yes, sir. Hi, I am giving interview. This is rejected, right? So you have to be in a proper place. Lighting things will be good. Yeah. See, Sudhir is telling that I am perfect. But Sudhir, you will also get rejected, because if I will tell you that, Sudhir, share your screen, write a code. Sudhir will say, sir, I connected with my mobile phone. Interview will say, okay, bye-bye. I'm here to reject you. I'm not your brother, sister that I have to select you.
These all also plays an important role when it comes to an interview. How you showcase yourself, how you deliver yourself. They don't know what exactly you were doing in your previous organization.
Correct. It doesn't matter. Your 15-minute presentation or 15-minute, what we can say, in front of interview will select you or reject you.
Yeah,
okay, there may be chances you are very professional, very good. Okay, you presented well, but you don't know the technical deep answers. He will say that, okay, he is a learning capabilities. He know how to sit into the interview, how to share the things. Okay, he know how to use the laptop, right? And definitely he has his laptop also. Let's give the offer. Let's try him. Right? If you will tell, sir, I can't switch on the camera, I'm in my office laptop. Interview will say, okay, man, thank you, bye-bye.
Why did you even attend the interview in your office laptop? First question.
See, personally, I have faced that when I'm taking the interview, sir, I'm in my office laptop. I can switch on my camera, but I can't share my screen because this is not allowed. So that
security,
time
because of security reason.
Yeah, with the security reason. That time I told, you are allowed to give the interview from office laptop. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you already break the rule, right? No, sir, I break a small rule. What do you mean by break a small rule or big rule?
Rules to rule ही होता है.
Correct. So this is what means.
I just want to understand this whole thing is going to take, you are saying, around 2.5 months.
Yes.
Okay.
Because see, we are not a training institute kind of thing that every week, every month start a batch, gather new student. No. I will gather the student who are really interested, who really want to become, and who will give the result to us.
Exactly.
Right? Because see, if someone is telling that, sir, I'm 15 years non-technical, I will tell you the story. Okay. One of the VP from one of the big company. Okay. Guys, switch on the camera, please. It's just a discussion. We are not learning. We are just discussing. Switch on the camera. It will be good for us. Okay. So one of the VP from one of the big organization came to me. Okay. He told, because I really like your way, how you are teaching. I really want to learn the things. Okay. Is I'm eligible? First time I told that, sir, you have a 15 years experience. You are a VP. You are not eligible. Okay. The reason is how you will crack the interview. He told, you don't have to worry for that part. I have a good communication skill. If you will teach me what to say, I will say in front of that in a very good confidence, and I will crack the interview. I told, yeah, you are a VP. Definitely you have this skill, right? He just learned with me. Okay. He was in around 15 lakh package only. Okay. He get an offer of 47 lakh. Because already VP, 17-year experience, he utilized everything, every English, whatever he know, he just say this all things I know, I implement. How he started the interview means when I take the interview for him, okay, he told, I implemented Docker in my company. Okay, earlier we are using just a virtual machine. It's a rubbish thing. Okay, and when I get to know 5 years back, I did the research on Docker, and I get to know that everything will run very smoothly. I implemented in my team with my 5 members, and it worked very well, and I have delivered to the client. I saw the confidence how he's giving the answer. He don't know what is Docker also.
Exactly.
Right. And but he learned the things, he did the practical with me. Okay. And for VP, it doesn't matter, right? How much going technical you are, how you are delivering the things. I'm ready to take any of the project, whatever you have. If you will say
Sir,
in front of client, one second.
I have a question, sir.
One second. If he will say that I have this much confidence, I can take any of the project, I can give this benefit to the team, right? So definitely CEO or someone will take the interview for the VP. He will say that he has a confidence, he can definitely do that part. He get an offer. He is working from the last 8 months in a very good company, very good profile with very good package. Yeah, go ahead. Who is the question? Abhishek, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, tell me something about
switch on the camera.
empty.
Switch on the camera.
Hello.
Switch on the camera.
Okay, 1 minute.
Anyone else? Mohan, yeah, go ahead. You have raised the hand. Yeah.
Vikas Jain this side.
Yeah, Jain, go ahead.
So, Vikas, for doing practicals, do we need our personal laptops, or it will be like our online labs that will be provided?
Yeah. Okay. I will give the answer. Okay. Pre-request. Okay. The question is, what is the pre-request? I just need a person who just, if you don't have any knowledge on the AWS cloud, anything, doesn't matter. I will give you all the knowledge. Okay. Simple thing. You just need a basic laptop with the internet connection who can survive with Zoom or Chrome. With the help of Chrome browser, we will connect with the cloud. With the Zoom, you will connect with me. That's it. Okay. With the help of Chrome, it's very simple, guys. You don't need to install anything. What is this? This is my Google Chrome, right? You just have to click on this link, aws.amazon.com, right? And you have to just sign in. You have to click on sign in. You have to provide your ID password, and you are connected with the cloud. That's it. Okay. So what you don't have to install anything in the local machine. If your machine can survive with the Chrome, Zoom, that's it. And if you will learn the things with the help of labs, okay, you will be paralyzed. You are on the ventilator. As soon as the ventilator or lab will be finished, you don't know anything. Correct?
Yeah.
I will drop you into the actual AWS account itself, so that here you will learn everything, whatever you want, whatever we are doing into the real-time companies, that all things we will do the activity. If you will do the things on the lab, I will give you click here, then you are on a paralyzed way, man. Okay, you are on the ventilator. As soon as the labs will finish, I don't know anything. I just clicked it. I haven't read it. Right?
Yeah, right.
Right. So
Yes, sir. My question.
One second. We will create a AWS account. I will teach you how to create a AWS account. If you will see my syllabus, okay. As soon as we will complete the Linux, we will create a AWS account here. Okay. AWS account. So this will be a free account for the next 1 year. You will get free of cost learning, or you can implement the things into the real time in the AWS account itself. Okay. And my course is not only a AWS. My course is a multi-cloud course. Okay. When I'm talking about multi-cloud means here, this all things we will teach you on the Google Cloud. Okay. And then we will teach you on the AWS as well. AWS is a separate entity from the day 9 or from the day 10 only we will start the AWS. But 1-2 weeks, first 2 weeks, I will teach you into the another cloud, because I am going to teach you the cloud, right? And cloud can be anything. If I'm teaching, I'm telling that I'm going to teach you the cloud computing. What do you mean by cloud computing? I'm not telling I'm teaching AWS. I will teach the cloud computing. You can work in any of the cloud by learning this part, because Linux is same. It can be AWS, it can be Azure, it can be GCP. Correct? So why to depend on AWS only? Because let us assume some students go to the interview and they tell that I know only AWS. He told that I need a person who know multi-cloud. Rejected. Right? If you will say that I know multi-cloud, but I have a primarily skill or I have a good knowledge on AWS, this looks good, right? You know how to drive a car. If I will give a car, you can drive any of the car. It's not like, sir, I learned from the Honda City. I can drive only Honda City. I can't drive Swift. No, if you know driving, you can drive any of the car. Simple. If you know the things, how to use it, you can use in any of the cloud. This is what we are providing to my students, and my students are not getting only offer in AWS cloud profile. They are getting offer in Alibaba cloud also, which I also never worked. Correct? Because the person who teach the driving, let's assume he teaches from the shift, but he has a Honda City at home, so he can drive Honda City also. Correct? That's it. He get an offer from Alibaba cloud. He can work into that part. Doesn't matter.
So Vikas, can you share some of the modules apart from the, because I have gone through your basic modules, any other module apart
You
from
can
this?
ask, buddy. You can ask whatever you want. Message me. Okay.
Interested into Docker, if you can just share it with me.
Sure.
I will go through during
Yes.
the week.
Give me your email ID, please. Give me your email ID.
Sure, I'm pinging you, sir, on chat. Huh?
Yeah. Okay. So I will give you the Docker access. You are feel free to have a look.
And Vikas, one more thing, how this cloud thing and this DevOps things are related, if they go hand in hand, or DevOps is the next step. I just want to know, actually. I'm a beginner.
Guys, anyone who want to give the answer to Jayan, because everyone is telling cloud and DevOps. I'm also telling cloud and DevOps.
Yeah.
Right? Why? Can anyone give the answer? Good answer in front of everyone. Guys, please go ahead. Experienced person, it's a time to show your talent. Yes. No one? No problem. Let me
What I
give
have
the answer.
understood is without cloud, DevOps will not work. It's works hand in hand because it's development and operations.
See, yeah, your answer is correct. See,
So all things relies on the cloud. That's why DevOps related to cloud.
Okay.
It's a relation
fine.
with cloud.
Okay, I agree. Anyone else? Yes. Anyone else? No. Chalo, let me give. Okay. See, DevOps is just a tools, right? Where you will install this tool? You can't install everything in the local machine. You have to install in any of the cloud. Correct? The cloud will provide you the servers, machine, resources, storage, services to you, and they will charge you for everything. If you will take the infra from the cloud, we will use the open source free DevOps tool in that cloud, and we can create a cloud and DevOps profile. Make sense?
Yeah.
Right? So a cloud is also important because we will get infra from them. Tools are also important because these are open source tools freely available into the market. See, if you will use this free tool, then only you will get good package. If you will say, so let's take an example. Let's take a simple talk. I have a project which has a budget of $100. Okay. You have multiple options. Either you can take the AWS services. You can pay 80 rupees rent and 20 rupees in your pocket. $80 in the rent and $20 in the pocket. One option. Second option, use the free services. Take only the infra from them in the $10 and $90 in your pocket. What you will use that of? Which option you will use?
Second option, of course.
Guys, are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's why we have to learn the DevOps tool, because the money will come to our salary. If you will use only cloud, everything you are paying on a rent, then no one will pay you the salary. He will tell that fresher can also do the same work which the cloud engineer can do, which you can do. Correct? That's why we are spending around 2 weeks of time in AWS, okay, and 2 months and the rest of the time in the tools. Okay, AWS services, around top 10 services or 20 more components we were discussing in the AWS, and then from the 21 to day 50 we are in the tools. We will discuss about the development tool, Git, GitHub. We will discuss about the Jenkins. We'll discuss about the Docker. We will do the Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, as well as some monitoring tool as well. Okay. After that, we will come into the Prometheus and Grafana. We will do the monitoring part as well. And one more good thing, student choice. If you feel that, sir, after learning with you 45 days, I feel that this is also very important topic which is not available in your syllabus. I'm ready to listen you. Tell me the topic name. I will prepare myself, or I will bring someone to deliver you if it's important. If you go for any of the interview, you feel that, sir, I went for the interview and they are asking Splunk, and Splunk is not in your syllabus. This is a problem, right? Obviously, you went for the interview. You feel that, sir, that interviewer is asking this thing, which is not in your syllabus. I am ready to take that. Whatever the topic you feel that it is important, it's asking into the interview for this profile, you can let me know. I will prepare myself. I will bring someone to deliver that topic to you as well. It can be anything. And you will not get anything, this type of thing from any of the institute or any of the community, which we are providing. Make sense? Yes or no?
Sir, I have a question.
You already have a question. You are not asking. Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. My question is like, I have 2 certifications. Like one is the cloud computing and distributed system, and another is GCP Foundation from NPTEL course. So
Okay.
that
don't have the
boosts
global.
my
See, this is the global certification, or this is just a
no
institute
national.
certificate?
Yeah, national IT college basically delivered
See,
this
this is a
certificate.
local certificate. Okay, no value for
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
Okay, just for the name shake, just for the satisfaction, that certificates are there. Okay.
Okay.
If you really want to take the benefit of the real certificate, write the global certification, which I am writing here, global certification.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Because-
is basically national certificate, sir, not
national-
local.
See, national
Government of
certificate-
Government of India basically issued this certificate.
It's okay. We can type in at home also in the open a pant and just change the name. Right?
Yeah.
But see, that doesn't matter. Always knowledge matters. How you are giving the answers, that matters.
Yeah. This is matter, but this boost my resume or not? This is basically my question.
Just for namesake, I am telling. Okay.
Okay.
See, if you are
Yeah.
getting a confidence that I have a certificate, well and good. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you are not able to give the answer in the interview, the global certificate or any of the certificate also doesn't matter. If
Okay.
Sudhar Pachai will come and write it in your resume that this is a good candidate, if you are not giving the answer, no one will select you.
Okay.
Right? And don't feel that if Sundar Pachai also can give the interview, he can also get rejected. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So if you get rejected, don't feel that I get rejected. It's a journey. You have to give a next interview. That's it.
So, sir, to mention this about this certification in resume or not?
You can mention it.
Like I have two certifications. One is
if you have, you can
Yeah.
mention it. Okay.
yeah.
But always knowledge matters, buddy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vikas, what is the certification for this? Because I already have a certification. Yeah, I have gained some amount of knowledge into Azure administration. So AZ 104, I'm globally
See,
certified.
AZ 104, if you have, that is a development certificate, correct?
Huh.
Azure developer, right?
No, system administrator.
System
Azure.
admin, okay. Yes, system admin. This will help you out. Okay. If you are able to give the answers in the interview, that will help you out. You can ask 2-3 lakh extra package.
And what is this certification that we will go for AWS and DevOps?
Cloud Functionary, Cloud Functionary and Cloud Architect.
Cloud Architect. Okay. And for Azure, I think it is AZ 400. Huh?
AZ 400. 900 is the foundation, and then it will get 400, I think. Yes.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, go
Hello,
ahead,
Vikas.
Mohan. Yeah, Niket, Mohan. Switch on the camera.
Vikas,
I
sir.
want to see you. Switch on the camera, please. And ask the question. Yeah, Mohan, you have raised the hand. Switch on the camera,
Hello,
please.
Vikas, sir. Can I join the DevOps batch 31 in this week?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you are feel free. I already given you the link. Okay.
Yeah.
Just register into this link. Okay. I'm giving you again into the chat. Just register
Yeah.
yourself into this. And Monday, 8 a.m. IST,
Yeah.
come to my live class, where
Yes.
we are going to directly discuss the toughest topic that is networking. Okay.
Okay.
Because see,
Yes.
database we have already completed. Networking we are going to learn. It's the toughest topic in the AWS. And guys, if you want to see how I'm teaching the toughest topic, you are invited to come into this class.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and meet with new friends as well. Definitely, yes. My batch 31 students.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Cool.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Saurabh, go ahead.
Saurabuddin here.
Yes, Saurabh.
Yeah.
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera, please.
Yeah, sir. Sure. Yes, sir. Sir, I have an 5-year experience as a server admin.
Good.
Actually, normal graduation. So my question is that, so can I move DevOps if because I have no IT certificate like that BTech
Who told
one.
that? See,
So
who told? Wait. So, Saurabh, your voice is not very clear. But what I understood, with the help of without certification, you can get into the job or into the IT. Yes, you can definitely. You don't have to worry because degree and certification is required. Okay, it can be any degree. Okay, but if it's a engineering degree, it will be beneficial. But it's not hard coded that because lot of BCA BCom students are already into the Canada, US, UK. Okay, so no need to worry for that part. Okay, and certification is not required. If you have a knowledge, definitely your knowledge matters. Okay,
yes.
certification will not help you out. If you get an offer, let's assume the HR is going to release the offer of 15 lakh to you, and you will say that I have a 2 certification, then you can ask 18 lakh package. This is the benefit. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? The offer of 15 lakh is coming, and if you want to negotiate that I have these 2 certificates, can you give me 20 lakh package? Then he will listen you. If you will say I have a 20 certificate, but I don't know how to speak, he will not give 5 lakh offer to you also.
Sir,
Right?
I have another question, sir.
Go ahead, Abhishek, go ahead.
Sir, can I directly appear for AWS Cloud Solution Architect exam without doing foundation course and practitioner course?
You are asking the question, sir. I don't did the 5th class. I want to sit into the 8th or 10th class.
No, suppose I joined your course and basic portion be
You
cleared.
can write any of the certification. There is no problem at all.
Yeah,
Because
this is the
at the
problem
end,
in
see,
case
at
of
the
Azure. Yeah,
at
because
the
of
end,
reason.
see, at the end, they also need a money. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Right? If you will say,
Yeah.
I want to give this exam, I have a 5 years, 2 years experience, they will say, okay, give it. What will happen at the end? Either you will select or either you will reject.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
No, in case of Azure, a problem like first you do foundation course, then practitioner course,
that
then
will be a good approach. Okay. Whenever you are writing any of the certificate, go in a order that will be always beneficial. Okay. If you will see here, for the AWS, you must have to write, if you have a 6 month of experience, then only you can write the cloud dictionary. Okay. If you have a 1 year of experience, then you can write the solution architect. Okay.
Yes.
If you have solution architect, DevOps engineer, professional level, if you want to write, then 2 years experience will be a good point. Then only see this, with the help of this certificate, you can ask 5 lakh extra package. But if you don't have 2 year experience in a professional way, you can't ask the 5 lakh extra. Correct? So if you will go into, let's assume you written directly this exam, then what you will do next year? Correct? So my suggestion, see, I will suggest my student, write the certificate, ask 5 lakh extra, write the certificate next year, ask 5 lakh extra. Next year, again write the certificate, ask 5 lakh extra. If you will write directly, you will get 5 lakh extra. If you will go into the other, you will get 15 lakh extra. What is better?
Yeah, one by one. Yeah.
Right. So yes, go in order. This type of tips and tricks I will give it to you so that your package will be 5 times more than your current package.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Because see, everyone knows how to switch it. Everyone knows how to negotiate it. But how to negotiate 500 times? That matters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That we will learn every day. It's not like that I can deliver everything in one day. Practically impossible. Correct?
Yes, yes.
For that, we have to understand for a 2 months. Okay, we have to go in a order, and then we can achieve that part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mohan, you have raised the hand from a very long back. Yeah, Mohan, go ahead.
Hi, Vikas.
Yeah, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, currently I'm working. I have 3 years experience. Okay.
Good.
So I have a knowledge on Linux.
Currently, you are working in which profile?
Linux.
Linux. Okay, good. That's good. See, you have already, your foundation is already good. Okay.
Yes.
You can directly come into the AWS classes. Yes, you are feel free because you know Linux. Can you tell me 5 what we can say monitoring Linux command?
What?
Monitoring 5 monitoring Linux command. Linux monitoring commands 5.
df-h list of files.
Correct. df-h agree. What is the use of df-h?
List of files you can see.
No. Counting points.
Yes.
Give technical answer. Yes.
ls-lrth.
ls-lrth is not a monitoring command. Try. Yes.
Yeah, these are comments I would reduce the space
These are very general commands, buddy. Okay. See, I will show you how I will teach. Okay. If you will come to my
Can you
Linux
share
class.
me that Linux comments?
Definitely. Yes, definitely. Okay. You can see here. But see, only Linux is not helpful. If you will come here with my Linux classes, how I will make your foundation. Okay. I will teach you the Linux admission activities primarily for the DevOps engineer. Okay. Because my intention is not to make a Linux admin person. Linux admin person salary will be 5 lakh, 10 lakh package only. Linux administration with DevOps, then 20 lakh package. Okay. So what we will do, we will discuss all these things. What is operating system? What is Linux? Why Linux is popular? Why it is open source? What is OS? What is operating system? What is GitHub? Linux versus Windows, Linux versus Unix, file system, multiple ways how to create a Linux machine. Then we will come into the commands. And if you are whatever the answers you are giving, let me show you. Okay. See how we will start the things. First, we will discuss little bit theory. Then I will tell you the common Linux command. These are the Linux common commands. Whatever the ls command you are telling, it's just a display the list of directories. That's it, right? And whatever the question I'm asking, that some system admin commands, okay, and monitoring commands, I'm asking the questions from here. If you will given the answer free, if you have given the answer df-h, du, who, locate, tar, make directory, uptime, top, du, uname-a, these are coming into the monitoring category. Correct? Mohan, got it? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Others, yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Okay. After
Yes, sir.
monitoring,
Yes,
after monitoring category, user related category. In your company, there is a UM team, user access management team. Correct? From the last 10 years, they are only running this 10 commands and they are getting 5 lakh package with the 10 years experience. Correct? I don't want to, I will teach this thing in 15 minutes. That's it. Or half an hour, I will teach you how to create a users, or how to delete the user, how to create a groups, how to delete the groups, how to check the password, how to check the encryption of the password, where the password will be get saved, where the user information will get saved, where the password is encrypted visible. These all things we will discuss in the UM thing. After that, we will come into the networking part. Anyone network engineer, confirm me, these are the networking commands or troubleshooting networking commands. If any of the issue in the Linux machine or Linux server happen with the network, then you will run this command to find out the answer related to the network. Guys, yes or no? It's not an end. After that, the keygen, when you will join the company, very first day, your manager or your lead will tell that, can you give me your public key so that I can give you the access? And that time, if you will say, sir, how to generate the public key? I don't know. Then he will be think that, yes, there is a problem in this candidate. First day, first impression gone. Correct? And he will tell you this point in front of the whole team. Welcome, Mr. ABC. Okay. I want to provide you the access. Can you please give me the private key or public key? Can you generate the key from this server and give me the public key? If you don't know, gone case. Very first day, impression gone. That time you have to be with some senior. Sir, please tell me how to generate the key, right? And senior will also get to know, man, difficult to give the answer, difficult to deal with this person. Correct? So the very first day, you have to generate your public key. This is the way. You have to run the keygen command and how to access any of the server. He will give you the access, but he will not teach you how to access the server. Correct? Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, because very much agree.
Right? He will give you the access. This is your username. This is your password. This is the IP. Access it. That time you will say, how to access any document is available. Then again, gone case. Means you will realize every day that you came into the wrong profile and you will tell that, oh, no, Linux is very bad. DevOps is very bad. Very first day they are giving the work. Man, it's just a very simple thing. You just have to run this command, SSH-P or SSH username and password, username and IP address. and it will ask the password, and you will able to connect to the machine. That's it. I will teach all these things which you have to do in the way from the day one in the company. Okay.
So
Then
basically, what I have understood, because the whole training module is based on the real time work that we will be doing.
obviously, man, obviously, yes. Okay. I told the story of 17 years VP, right? BPO engineer or BPO person with good confidence, good English, learn this all things, and VP of the technical department. And 10
हाँ, मतलब सामने वाले को whatever you say, you have to have that confidence within you to make them understand that you
and
have
how
done
the confidence will come. Sometimes student attend my workshop. Okay, I will in the next week again I have a workshop. Okay, that time I will teach Docker and Kubernetes. In 2 hours, student will listen Docker and he will think that I know complete Docker, and he will give the interview right into the resume and go for the interview. Right? It happens.
Got it.
Right? And in the 2 hours, I will teach Kubernetes, and he feel that yes, I know Kubernetes. He will write into the resume. He get a call, and that time he was telling, no, what is this Kubernetes? I am giving the wrong answers and get rejected. Right? To learn the thing.
Then, how the CV and all you will be helping in
I will take care of everything. See, we have a resume making sessions also. If you will see my syllabus, come down. Around day 42 or 43 will be there. 42 resume preparation. Okay, tips and tricks, mock interviews. Okay, all the topics covered. Variable Naukri profile also I will optimize your, so that you will get 10 calls in a day from the Naukri itself.
Okay. Matlab, sure, sort if someone is giving their 200% and following you, then definitely
only 100%, man, not 200%.
15 lakhs package minimum to मिल ही जाएगा.
उससे ज़्यादा भी मिल जाएगा. Okay. Matlab, I want you to talk with some candidates. Okay. Simple. Some students are there. You can just talk with him. Okay. You can come to my class, or you can talk with. I already told one person to talk with Shubham, right? Simply, he just given 5 to 7 interviews. He joined my course. He took the recording also. He told, sir, I want to run very fast. Okay. I will attend your morning session. In the night, I will see another recording. Okay. I told, yeah, you can, right? If you want to run fast, I don't have any concern, right? I given the previous batch access to him, and I told that you can continue in this batch also. Okay. So yes, he get an offer in the next 15-20 days only.
Wow. Because even I am also much interested into it, because I feel that I can do it. It's not a big deal. It's just that you need
only
to be
this
smart
confidence I need. You are eager to learn it. You need a platform. You need a bridge. You need all the tips and tricks. That's it.
Right. Because I was beating around the bush by trying to enroll for Udemy courses, but the thing is that
how you
that will not
the thing. See, 299 rupees you will give to them, and why you are giving 299 also? Watching the YouTube, you will get it 290 free of cost also. That trainer who put into the YouTube also free of cost.
Right.
Correct.
It has to be interactive. Whenever you are stuck in something, you have to have someone who can help.
Who will help you out? This WhatsApp group. I'm telling that I will not help. This WhatsApp group will help you out. See, this student, he learned something. Okay, he gets some screenshot from somewhere. Okay, I also don't know. It's a real screenshot from the AWS. What he told, AWS storage guys is helpful information. This will be because of this keyword. When I told something, you will just read it, right? And see, this has been posted around yesterday only. This is today. This is yesterday, correct? And related to the storage class, when we are learning, I also posted something into the group. Okay, see here. If you will come down. Yeah, see, AWS storage class. This is my actual screenshot from my class. I posted on Monday. Okay, within 1 week, students are able to understand the part. Correct? Because we discuss. We see in the classroom only. This is at what time? 9:29. Okay. At the end of the session, 8 a.m. to 9:30, my sessions will be there, right? 9:30, I told that tomorrow we are going to discuss this part. If you want to explore from your side in the internet, you are feel free. So what you have to explore, because see, in the internet, thousands of things is there. What to learn, what to read, right? You have to read this part. See, student read it, okay? And then one student has did the practical 3 electric load balancer working fine with round robin. Okay, no doubt now clear. This is what I want from every student. See, student has posted it, practical 3 elastic load balancer I created working fine with the round robin configuration. Right? Looks good. Vikas sir, can you upload the interview question in the drive? So students are asking the question that, sir, I need interview question. I'm going for the interview. So what I did, see, when he asked on Monday. I told, okay, not a problem. I will show you my drive. Okay. Where is my drive? One is video drive, one is PPT drive. Okay. In the PPT, all the presentations, whatever I'm presenting in front of you guys is available. Actual interview questions from the student. 7 August means last week only I uploaded into that. Whatever the topics are getting completed, based on the topics, topic-wise interview questions I am providing it. I'm not giving you 100 questions directly that learn this 100 questions. No. 1 week we understand one topic, right? So prepare that one topic and out from that. Another week, prepare another topic and done. Mark it done. So that in the 2 months, 10 topics will be done.
So I am sorry to interrupt you. The questions that will be asked are majorly situation based or scenario based questions, right?
Everything. Okay, everything. See what I written it, actual interview questions from the student, means you are giving the interview, you are writing some questions and give it to me, right? So that all questions, some answers you need, because see, everyone knows what is AWS, but how you are giving the answer, what is AWS, that matters. So let I will ask the question with you guys only. What is AWS? Everyone knows what is AWS, right? But how you are giving the answers, that matters. Chalo guys, I told you in the AWS there are 200 services are there. Where is the detail? If you will click on all services, these are more than 200 services are there. Correct? What is the use of these 200 services? Can anyone give me the answer? How come AWS has created these 200 services? Based on your experience, give me the answer. Let's discuss. This is one of the basic scenario interview question. Yeah. Chalo, is this tough? What is AWS? Simple question. Yeah,
it's a cloud.
Sumit, if you will give this answer in the interview, it's a cloud. Rejected man. No one will give you 2 rupees also in the package. Correct? Give the proper answer, please.
Yes, sir. AWS is a cloud computing service.
Correct.
That provide on-demand resources as per the client requirements.
Absolutely agree. Yes.
Yeah, and one best thing of AWS, client use as per their requirement and only pay for that.
Pay per use model, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Cool. What else? I agree with your 3 points. Okay. 80% answer you given. 20% is still pending. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I think cloud is developed to eliminate the use of hardware in the customer's environment.
Okay, I agree. Okay, fine. Guys, do you know the history of AWS? Let me tell you. AWS came or launched in 2002. Okay, the platform, what we are seeing at this point, this AWS account, okay, came in 2002, around 21 years old. Okay, whatever we are seeing this AWS console, this is 21-year old. Then in 2002, this AWS platform has been launched. In 2003, they created some formulas. 2004, the very first service SQS came into the market. Anyone hear about SQS? Simple queue service. What does it mean?
Simple queue service.
Yeah, what does it mean? What is the use of this service?
It's just like a IBM NQ series.
It's a process thing will happen into the queue. Correct?
Exactly.
What is the real-time example? Can you give me the real-time example for this service? In which
for the credit card? For the credit card we use. Yes.
No.
Mainly in the banks, this service used on high demand. Yeah.
No. Credit card? No. Give me the scenario. Okay. In which use case this service has to be used? Let me take. If I want to send a very real-time example, if I want to send a message to 1000 students, if I will send directly with one software with 1000 SMS, WhatsApp will block my WhatsApp account. Yes or no?
Exactly.
Right. So if you want to process something, you have to send small packets. This AWS service will help us to send the things into the queue. Everyone is working into the company. Everyone is getting the salary, right? The company is giving a bulk amount to the bank. Then bank will process, or your payroll department will process in a small order to everyone, right? But when your company give the salary to the bank, they will give a bulk amount. Then every other bank will get distributed in a small part. Yes or no? And you and your colleague is getting salary in some difference. Someone get in the 1 hour back. Someone is getting after 2 hours back, right? Because RBI is processing something into the queue. So this is the service. If you want to process something into the queue, this service we can use. Got my point?
It's like a batch processor.
Batch process, correct. Batch process, correct.
Like we process the payroll for the bank because already
Correct. Yes. Big thing can be distributed small part, and you can use this service. That is SQL service.
Yes.
Chalo. Very important service. EC2. What is EC2?
Elastic computing service, elastic computing.
It is a virtual machine, sir, which provide memories. And
Everyone knows what is EC2, right? What is the full form of EC2?
Elastic Cloud Compute.
Elastic. What do you mean by elastic?
Increasing and decreasing time.
Correct. What do you mean by compute?
Auto-scaling.
Compute means
network and storage supply.
memory.
One by one. Switch on the camera. Yes, Mohan, Ishwan, if you know what is compute, give me the answer.
CPU with memories.
Correct. This person is giving, Abhishek is giving the correct answer. Okay, elasticity, increase and decrease. CPU memory on the cloud, that is EC2 machine. Okay, that service where exactly it is?
It's a processor. It's without like it's with processor, RAM, and hard disks. Straightforward.
If you want to see in my local machine, this all things, compute means CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, internet, Wi-Fi, GPU, and all these things you will get in the cloud as well. This is compute. Okay, this is called compute. Okay, we will go with very basic. Okay, and now we have to understand. Then in 2016, when the AWS reached 10 billion revenue, then we get to know that we have to learn AWS, right? Something new came into the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
But we don't know what will happen in the backend. Is this time 100 services already created, 200 services at this point already available. Why 200 services? Earlier, simple way, earlier this all things are available for the database, storage, SAS, SNS, NS, RDMS. Jayant, you are a storage engineer, right?
Yeah.
You saw all these things?
I saw SAN and NAS, but DAS I'm not sure about it because I have joined as a storage engineer a few months ago only.
Cool. See, you know this thing, but this is outdated. If you learn these things, you are already in the cloud. Same thing with S3, EBS, EFS is available into the cloud. 99.9% things same, only the change in the name. And this is the thing available into the cloud. If you know this thing, you already know this thing.
Okay, that will be very helpful for me.
See, this type of comparison, I will tell you the real time, what you are doing in your real time company, how you can convert your profile into the cloud. Because Jan, for me, very easy. I already given the recording to him. He tomorrow, if he will see the recording, he will already understood S3 in the resume, and you are feel free to write S3 topic in your resume. That's it. And write one project also related to S3. Done. 50% your work is done. You are ready to go for the interview. But you will not able to ask much package, right? Only with this service. If you will come into overall, then only I can make you the cloud and DevOps engineer. Make sense? Yes. Yeah. So like servers, earlier in your company, there was a storage room or some server room was available, right? 2 years, 5 years back. Now the company has removed that because we already move into the AMI and EC2s. This is called replacement. This is your 2 lakh package, 5 lakh package, fresh earlier 5 lakh package. This is 50 lakh package. The choice is yours. You want to stay here only, or you want to just upgrade yourself with this and come into the 5x package. That's it. Make sense? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, makes sense.
All the network engineers. Anyone here network engineer who is working in the networking profile? Guys, please, yes or no? Chalo, tell me, what is networking? Routers, network pipes, switches, right? This all thing you are dealing with this thing.
Yes. It is the exchange of data.
Exchange of data from one hub to another hub, right?
Yeah.
Correct. This all things is happening into the internet in the cloud also. That is called ELB and that is called VPC. VPC that I'm going to teach you tomorrow. Means tomorrow, Monday morning, I'm going to teach this networking part into my VPC classes. Okay. And this all thing, traditional thing, firewall. Yeah. Anyone? Yeah, go ahead, question.
Yeah, because sir, you have any classes for only for the weekends? Because I don't have time for
my syllabus. Buddy, my syllabus is very big. If I will take my classes on the weekend, it will take 6 to 8 months to complete. We are not like that.
Ready for
See, we are not like the person who will just start the batch and done. We are the person who is want to finish the batch who want you to get the job. Then only I will make
no,
myself.
already I'm having good job and I'm the architect, the technical architect for the legacy system.
Whatever
And
it is.
now
If
the
it's-
banks are migrating.
You are already good.
Banks are-
Okay. Let's assume you have a 30 lakh package. You don't want to make it 50?
Yeah. Yes.
Correct. That's it. See, I'm not telling you everyone will get 20 lakh package. No, whatever you have, you can increase.
Already I'm having good package. I'm earning also, so it doesn't matter for me right now. I was abroad also for 2-3
So
countries.
you are on the wrong place. Okay. If you already have a good package, you already in good profile. That's it.
But I want to be in technical because I work for the legacy system, mainframe, AS400, Micro Focus, all this on the Linux.
That's okay.
Linux,
See,
Ubuntu,
can you give
all
me?
this.
See, it's okay. You are telling that you want to come into technology. Then you will secure your future for the next 10 years. Correct?
Yes. Banks are migrating, like your finance institutes are migrating from the old system to the new. So they were using the AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle, OCI, IBM products.
Ethelam, that's
Or
okay. That's okay.
cloud.
Ethelam, that's
And,
okay.
and
That's
in
okay.
the middle, as a your CI/CD part also they need. So
Yeah, Ethelam,
I
it's
want
okay.
to
Cool. That's good. That's good. Okay.
yes.
If
So-
you are not much interested, no problem. Okay.
I'm interested for your like I want to learn DevOps with AWS and Azure, whatever. I'm interested.
Okay.
That's why I
That's
joined
fine.
this, right? And I'm speaking in a
Cool.
so
That's fine. Okay.
just my like I want for a 6-month weekend classes, 4-5 hours, 3 hours. Like
Okay,
you have some long term. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. That's fine.
Yeah, that is my concern. Yeah.
Correct. Cool. Fine. And guys, we don't have any evening batch or we don't have any weekend batch. The reason is everyone's evening is not same, right? Earlier I started my batch at 8 p.m. Most of the students said this is a dinner time, right? If I start at 9 p.m., student tell that sir, this is a dinner time. I will not able to come from office, right? So evening time is not same for everyone. Correct? Yes or no? And evening time is mostly
Yes, sir.
and evening time is mostly for the family. Okay, if you will not able to, after coming from the office, you are tired, right? You will not be interested to learn the new things. When in the early morning, you will be always ready for yourself that I want to learn, my day will be happy, right? You are already tired from the office and you will not come to the right time. Or some students are taking the lunch, dinner and taking the class. I don't want that. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's the only morning batch. Guys, my skin skin is visible, right? Some student is telling it's coming as blank.
Yeah,
No,
it's
visible. The skin is
Visible.
visible.
Okay, fine. So we have to start the things from here, and definitely I'm going to teach you from every variety, the global infrastructure. Let's take an example for global infrastructure. What do you mean by global infrastructure? If you will click here, this is the AWS global infrastructure, means AWS with the help of single console.aws.amazon.com, you can connect to any of the data centers. Guys, you can choose any of the data center, whatever you want. I have connected to the Mumbai. You can connect to the California. You can connect to the Singapore. Just a one click. I will teach you the global infrastructure, how to deal with networking. I will teach you the compute. I will teach you the storage. I will teach you the database. I will teach you the applications. I will teach you the development as well as the administration activity tools also. So what we decided in our course, 2-3 services from here, 2-3 services from here, 2-3 services from here, 2-3 services, 2-3 services, and around 10 to 15 bunch of services I am going to teach you in the AWS classes. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, guys, other person, feel free to ask the question, whatever you have in your mind.
Okay, because I think we have, I mean, I'm not sure about other people, but I have achieved the most what I had to achieve from this discussion.
Cool,
I
cool.
feel this is worth enough. I can go ahead and join the course. I wanted to understand what are the course structure and if you can help us
This is the
understand.
course structure. This is the thing. You can join us. We'll make your foundation. We will teach you Linux. We will teach you AWS and in the everything order. Okay. Everything is pre-decided. You don't have to worry anything. Okay. If you have any of the trust issue on me, you can go to my YouTube channel, see my 100 of videos. Okay. If you have any trust issue, you can come to my live classes, unlimited time. No need to worry. Okay. That's it. I can say.
And what is the course fee?
I'm not asking buddy any course fees at this point. You can just see something. The HR team will connect with you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come
Sure,
to
no
live
problem.
class at least. This is a live
Because
interaction. Come to
if
the
you
live.
Sure. I am definitely coming on Monday. So see, the thing is that as you mentioned, it's a morning session. It's actually good because during the morning you have a lot of energy to learn new things.
And
So
everyone,
I
yes.
do agree, but I am doing a US shift, but I will try and accommodate myself so that instead of logging out at 3 o'clock, I will try to log out at 2 o'clock. I will sleep for
That will
5
be
hours.
correct. That will be very helpful. Okay.
Yeah, and I just want you to help me with a couple of, maybe Ansible or maybe Docker, anything which I can.
Yeah. Sorry. Samir, your email ID, please. I forgot it.
I have
Okay.
already shared it. I will share it.
Can you give it to me again?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, shared it.
Yeah, shared it. Okay. Samir. Okay. Which topic you are looking? This is
I am looking
Docker,
for
right?
a Docker or Kubernetes. Yeah, anyone.
Just give me a second. Yes. Docker. I'm giving you Docker or Kubernetes both. Okay. No need to worry. Where is that?
Okay.
Where is that? Yeah. Okay. VM machine. Okay. This is an overview. Okay, of the virtual machine. See, it's not like you are looking for the Docker. We will teach you the virtual machine. Why the virtual machine came into the picture? Why the Docker is came into the picture? Then you will able to correlate the things. Okay.
Correct.
That will be very helpful for you. Okay. So I just copied your email ID. I'm giving you this, Samir. Okay. I'm just giving you the access. Check your email. Did you get any email?
Sure, I will check it.
Okay. And as well as yeah, one second. Let me give the access. Otherwise, I will forget. Just give me 1 second. I am a human being. Okay, not a robot.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I have got it. I will go through
You get 2 videos. Okay, related to Docker with Docker practicals, and I'm giving you the Docker file as well. Okay, so that you will go into the advanced topic of Docker as well. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Means after seeing this class or after learning this, you can write 3-year experience in the Docker itself. Okay.
Oh wow.
Okay. And still one more advanced topic means I took the Docker for 4 classes. Advanced though still is pending. Okay. Means one more advanced level is still pending.
Sir, it's okay, sir. If I am able to achieve 50% of your knowledge, then I think I should be able to accomplish what I want.
More than enough. Yes. Yep. Yeah. Go ahead. Yes. Another person, please. Let's take some more questions.
I want RDS.
Yeah. Okay.
Shall I give my ID?
Give me your email ID, please.
Yeah, sure. I will write in the chat.
And guys, whoever is already my student, no need to ask anything. It's already there in your drive. Okay, it will come. No need to worry because I saw one of my student already asked.
Hello.
Yeah. Switch on the camera, please. Mohan, Rajesh, yes. Yeah, Mohan, Rajesh.
Because need Jenkins Docker Kubernetes.
Okay. See.
Basics. Yeah.
Okay, Jenkins. I'm giving you. Yeah, Mohan, give me your email ID, please.
Yeah, Docker Kubernetes. Yeah.
Email ID. I need you.
I'm sending you. Yeah.
Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah, Rajesh.
I already sent it my email.
Rajesh, which topic you want?
Kubernetes, Docker, and Jenkins.
Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins. You will not able to learn everything. Tell me one topic, please. Which one you are really eager to learn?
Docker.
Docker?
Yeah, Docker.
Okay, cool. I'm giving you the Docker access. Okay.
Yeah, I shared Vikas.
Cool. Yep. Guys, anyone has any question? Feel free to ask. Yes. And guys, please utilize this. Okay. Don't keep it just for idle. It will not be helpful. Must watch it. You will able to understand the thing. Okay. Make sense?
Because for me,
it's not like that everyone is taking something, so everyone has to take something. Okay. Just utilize it, please. Yeah. Yeah, please utilize. Okay. Yep. I already given to Rajesh or someone.
I'm waiting, sir.
Yeah, cool.
Itham.
Okay, Itham.
Yeah,
Itham. Okay, sure. Ethan, you are an experienced person. You can come to my Monday class now. Okay.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
That will be good. Okay. You are an experienced person, so I want you to come to the live class. Why you watch the recording? No need to watch the recording. Okay.
No, at least I will get the idea. Give me. I will join also.
My YouTube channel, so many things are there. Okay, I already copied. Which one? RDS, right? RDS
or file system.
RDS networking database RDS. Okay, I can give you the batch 31. Yesterday's recording also, no? This is batch 31.
It's fine for me.
RDS with practical database RDS overview. Okay, yeah, here is the one. Okay, fine.
File system.
Cool, cool.
EFS, all this.
Buddy, but where you will ask the question, this many you are taking it. Okay. Think in that way.
Because I have shared the mail and
That's okay. That's okay, guys. Okay, we will provide you. Not a big deal. Okay, I already provided. Okay.
And file system, sir. File system.
File system is Linux, right?
Not file, not S3. S3 EFS.
S3. Okay, I will give. But see, if you will not watch in a order, you will not be into flow. Only one topic will be helpful. Otherwise, what will happen? You will watch in unnecessary order and you will get confused for yourself. No, I don't want to.
No, I have idea. Vikas sir, I have idea. I know
Come to the class, buddy. Come to the live class. I'm not asking any fees to you. Come to the live class at least. Okay.
Monday I will try. Don't.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
hello, Vikas.
Guys, question, please. It's not like that taking the thing. Ask the question. Make this useful that, sir, this is the problem I am facing. Any problem statement you have, please feel free to ask the problems. Any new person? I already talked with this person. Len, yes, Len.
Can I share you my resume so that you can look into that is correct or not?
Yes, definitely. Yes, you can share it right away. I would like to. You can, Shivam, you can share it right away in my WhatsApp, okay, or into this chat. Yeah, Len, you have any questions?
Vikas sir, you will complete the. You will give the class on the migration also, data migration.
Yep. No, see, data migration is a different topic. Okay.
Okay. That will be.
At least new person, guys. I don't want to talk with the same person again and again. New person, please. This time, opportunity only for the new persons. Go ahead. Len, yes, Len, go ahead. Any new person?
Hello, hi.
Hey, hi, Len.
Would you kindly share with me the Docker notes or the video?
Definitely, yes, I can. Not a big deal.
Yeah.
I need your email ID.
Yeah, I've sent on the chat.
Yep. Len, there are so many messages. Can you send it again, please?
Okay.
Yep, I got it.
have.
Yep, I got it. Copy, which one? Docker, right?
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, Docker and AWS.
Okay, fine. Just give me a moment. Docker. Yep, here is the Docker classes. Virtual machine. You can start with the virtual machine. Okay.
All right.
Cool. Yep. And I'm giving you another advanced level topic of the Docker as well. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Feel free. See, just don't keep it. Okay. Just watch it. Okay. You will able to. And if you face any of the problem, you may be in one of my WhatsApp group. Okay. Ask the question there. Okay. It will be helpful.
Thank you.
Because it's not like that only taking it. It should not be one-sided. You have to take it. Then you have to ask the questions also. Then only your questions will get cleared. Make sense?
All right.
Cool,
Yeah.
good. Thank you.
Because can you share the details?
Yep, fine. Okay, cool. Yep.
Yes, sir. Surabuddin here, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead with your problem
Yeah.
statement.
No, sir. I have a question, sir.
Go ahead. Yes, good.
Sir, the generally market is a lot of cloud vendor, right? So
Correct.
like AWS, Azure, GCP.
Correct. Yes.
So, sir, which cloud is better job opportunity?
Chalo.
Which cloud is in the
Okay.
market?
If your question is very simple, the AWS has a very good market. Okay. Lots of openings, lot of engineers with good package. Okay. And if your question is, sir, there are so many cloud providers are available into the market, which one I have to learn? Okay. Right. This will be your another question, right? So if you know the driving, there are so many cars, companies are available. Ford, Hyundai, Tata, so many things, right? Everyone's cars are getting selling. Everyone has, your friend has, someone has a Honda, someone has another, someone has another Tata, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has a good feature. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
But the good thing is, if you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. Make sense?
Definitely.
If you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. That's it. So if you know any of the driving car, you can drive any of the car. If you know any of the cloud, you can work in any of the cloud. That's it. And I will give you the comparison sheet also. If you will see my cloud computing session, Cloud computing session. At the end of the cloud computing session, I was always giving the comparison sheet. In the comparison sheet, what will happen? You will able to see the comparative. Okay. See, if you will learn the one cloud from me, okay, you can work in any of the cloud for sure. That's my responsibility. Second thing is, what is the comparison? Okay. If you work in the AWS, if you know this thing, definitely you know in the Azure, this all things, only just changing the name. Correct? If you know this whole service in AWS, just understand the name you know in the Google Cloud already. Again and again, I'm repeating. If you know the driving, where is the steering, where is the brake, where is the accelerator, where is the indicator? If you know this thing, same thing in Honda City, same thing is Shift, same thing in Centro, same thing is Alto, same thing in Nano. Right?
Yes.
That's it.
And sir, what the difference? It means AWS DevOps and others normal general
Not,
DevOps.
buddy, is not a big difference. Okay, everyone has a Linux servers at the backend. If you know Linux, you know other servers as well. Okay, only little bit functionalities are changed. Let me show you. Okay, see, this is the AWS account. This is the homepage of the AWS. This is the EC2. I'm going to very most popular service EC2. Okay, instance, running instance. You will see like that none of the instances running in the EC2, right? AWS EC2, correct?
Yes.
Let me open my AWS account. Okay, I'm opening my AWS account. Okay, not AWS, I already opened. I'm opening my GCP account. Okay, in the GCP, if you will see here in the AWS also, these 3 lines are there. Backend is my AWS. This is my GCP. Here also 3 lines are there. Which service you want to go? Compute engine, VM instance. Okay, see, if you will compare it in the Google Cloud AWS, not much difference. See here, VM instance has been written here. Here, VM instance has been written. Okay, here nothing is there, here also nothing. All the options, create machine here, launch instance is here. Everything is same, just you have to understand here is a create, here is a launch of keyword. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, not much difference. If you are able to understand this instance, this is also instance. If you will able to see one machine here, you will able to see one machine here. If you will click on the launch instance, one template will open where it will ask the name and all the details. If you will click on the Google Cloud, okay, I'm making the full screen. If you will click on the create instance, okay, one template will be open. See here, instance name is asking here, here also the name is asking. Here also something is asking, here also something is here also the create option. If you will come down also, here is the create option. So both the options are very same. If you know one thing, you will able to work in the another cloud very easily. This is what I want to say, right? Tell me the difference, guys. See, I will open it. Okay, new instance. Okay, see here. Sorry, why the pop-up is not, screen is not coming. Yeah, okay, instance name is asking, here also the name is asking, launch template, yes or no?
Yes.
So there is not much difference, only little bit difference in the UI, rest everything is same. Correct? CEO, Glenn, any question? Otherwise raise your hand down, please.
Yes, Vikas. Hello.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
You hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm interested in cloud and DevOps. So how can I start to learn? Please
Very
guide me.
simple, very simple. I already given my YouTube channel. Just have a look my some videos on the YouTube channel. That's it. Okay. You will get a basic idea about it.
Any, okay.
Yeah. If you want to come into the live class, come at 8 a.m. IST. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Both the options are available. One student is asking where is the YouTube channel link. I'm giving you the YouTube channel link. This is my
hello,
one second. This is my batch 31. Okay. You don't have to, guys. We are keeping very transparent everything. You don't have to ask anything. Okay. If you will come to my website, okay. Let me open my website. Let me explain you my website. Okay. This is my website. If you want to come into my workshop, just click here in the free workshop. You will get all the details. What is my future workshop? My future workshop is 19 August, 19 and 20 August on Docker and Kubernetes. Just click here and register. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. This is the today's session, which we are doing it. Ask me anything, which is available here. Okay. If you want to come to my batch, okay, come to my homepage of the website. Come little bit down. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, just click here. If you want to go to my YouTube channel, just click here. You will able to. If you want to talk with me, this is my mobile number. Okay. Where is my all the community link? 53,000 members in Facebook. Just click here. You will get all the links. Okay. If you will click here, our website, join our WhatsApp community, Facebook group, day-wise syllabus, 11 a.m. workshop, 8 a.m. classroom, Google reviews, batch WhatsApp group congregations thing, Google search, because you will search the things in Google. I'm giving you the direct link. You can search in the Google from here. Okay. Student placement, offer letters, how many students got it? All the details are here. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So all the details are available in the my website. That's it. Okay. If your question is very simple, sir, where is the link? I'm giving you, this is my batch 31 playlist. If you will just click here, and I'm giving you the chat into the chat. Guys, please bookmark, please have a look. You will be very confident after seeing all these things.
Yes, sir. Thank you for that link.
Good. Guys, can we wind up? If some other person, any new question, feel free. Otherwise, I can wind up. We can wind up the session.
Hello, hi.
Right.
Could I kindly send you my CV for a
Yeah,
review or some
definitely.
insight?
Right away. Please do it.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Please
And
do it.
also, if I could also get some video on how I should start on DevOps.
See, you have to start the thing from here. For the
Yeah.
DevOps, means DevOps, I can say from the next week, in this batch only, my DevOps journey is going to start from the next Monday. Okay. So next
All
Monday,
right.
not this Monday, next Monday, you can come into this part, the DevOps journey we are going to start.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Yep. Yep. Len, you are sending your resume. Guys, I want to review one resume at least today. Whoever is sending the very first, please let me know. Fast, please. Anyone? Anyone, please? Guys, I'm waiting for one resume at least for today. I will directly tell that you will get a call or not. Anyone? Yes, no? No, no one? I'm audible?
One person write in the message, yes, I am.
To send it, not I am. Send it. I don't need I am, right? I need a resume. Guys, be your first. Send your resume quickly on my WhatsApp anywhere. This is my WhatsApp number, 999344500. Or here only into the chat. Yep, I get Sitesh resume. Cool. Thanks, Sitesh. Okay, I'm just opening your resume. Guys, it's open for everyone. Okay, feel free to listen and feel free to give your suggestions as well. Okay. Why it's like that? Very slow. Let me close it. Let me open it again. Yeah. Okay. Sitesh, your resume looks good, impressive. Okay. Desktop support engineer looks good. Email ID, mobile number, multiple mobile number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you are not in India, Sitesh. Unmute yourself.
In India only, sir.
Buddy, how many key digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. Please mention +91 also. Okay. But
Okay,
see, you are a desktop support engineer. Looks good. See, career objective looks good. This all things looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Your resume looks good. Okay. There is no problem at all. But where is your project? You work for any of the client. You mention the client name. Okay. But as a
Okay.
project, okay, which will be missing. Okay. You just have to
Okay.
put the project in place of 1 page, make it 2 page will be helpful.
Okay, okay.
Okay. But Sitesh, don't feel bad. Desktop support engineer will not able to earn much amount. Correct?
Yes, yes, sir. I know, sir.
Right? Maximum package with 5. How much is your experience? You have to mention from 2020, 18 13, man, 10 years experience, right? 8 to 10 year experience, correct?
Yes, sir.
Just add one line that I have around 10 years of experience, but in the 10 years also getting 15 lakh package is difficult.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Right now, less than 5 lakhs only.
See, the result is 10-year experience, less than 5 package. Freshers are also getting more than or triple that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you must have to upgrade yourself. Resume looks so too good, but no one will give
Okay.
you the money for this.
Okay, sir.
Your communication is fantastic. Everything looks good, but you will not able to earn the money because at the end we have to earn the package, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to take the good package, you must have to upgrade yourself. My personal
Okay.
suggestions to you. Okay. I also feel bad when I listen that a student with good, everything good, but less package. Right?
Okay.
Cool. Yep. Sitesh,
Thank you.
you must have to come to my batch. Okay. We will
Okay,
double your
sure.
package in very soon. Triple or 4 times your package. I'm confident.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Cool. What else? Anyone? Guys, last question. Any new person? Last question. Nothing? Guys, this session is helpful for you. Able to, my delivery is good.
Yes, sir. This is very helpful.
Yep, cool. Guys, next time, please invite your friends also. We will discuss. Okay. Okay. And one second. One second. Next week, we have a Docker and Kubernetes workshop free of cost. Okay. 19th August, 20th August. Just click here and register it. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Last question, please.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Vikas?
Yes, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes. As a fresher,
Yep.
how much time to take as a DevOps or cloud engineer?
As a fresher, but you are not a fresher, right?
No, I'm not a fresher. I have a 1 year experience in .NET.
Okay. See, it's not like that. See, someone will get a job in 15 days also. If you will not give
Yeah.
the interview 2 months, 3 months, you will wait that sir course will get complete. Then I will create my resume. Then I will go for the interview. It may take 3 months also, right?
Okay.
It's completely depends on you from when you will start giving the interviews. Because every week we will complete one topic, right? At least every week we will complete one module. You can add that module into the resume and go for the interview. At least within 2 weeks, get the Linux admin offer. After 4 weeks or after 1 month, at least get the AWS offer, right? Then go for the DevOps offer. Then feel that whatever is best, whatever is a good company, that one you will join. Simple.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Vikas.
Yep, thank you. Okay, thank you guys. If nothing, we can wind up. Okay. Definitely very soon we will organize this type of session again. Okay. Just a question answer. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you everyone. Bye-bye. Yep.